Wanted to just kind of give you an update on what we were trading this morning with our traders and things we brought up in our morning meeting. Two stocks that are in the news this morning, or were in the news this morning, RIMM and Oracle. Both amazing trades this morning, but it was all about timing. Getting in, making sure you place the right trade at the right time. With RIMM, we had a gap up this morning, as you can see from yesterday. The tail of this candle is showing you how it's pulled back, but we had rumors this morning on RIMM that there was going to be potential buyouts or takeover, something about someone wanting to buy RIMM. Rumors. The market, pre-market, you can see right here in this chart, is showing you pre-market activity coming into 9 o'clock, and then it started to break down as 9:30 started, as the trading day opened up. And so what was nice with the entry that we talked about was, all right, well, let's say number one, you want to see what happens with the market. And so at 9:30 this morning, here's 9:30, and so it's already starting to roll over from the high. Okay, and so we talked with our traders this morning about waiting for some shakeout, waiting for the garbage to clear from the overnight trades and positions and people who don't know what they're doing. And quite honestly, right here at 9:37 was an ideal time to go short. Why? Well, we talk about the break of support, come up, hit resistance, which is old support becomes new resistance, taking the trade right here, and then letting the thing ride in the direction of the trend. The trend is down. You stay with this thing as the trend completely is in your favor. And this trade was a great trade for us to stay in all the way through until right here at 11, almost 11 o'clock. And the reason that we were talking about getting out here is that I really like the long trend down. You can see that it hit a high, and then it came up and hit a lower high, then hit a lower high, right? So I'm encouraged that this is going to continue to roll over. And so yeah, I gave back a little bit of profit here, but when it broke out of old resistance now becoming new support, we took a trade off. And so when you think about that trade from 1390 down to 1340, what did I get at? 1344. It definitely wasn't the low of the day, but I'll take the 1390 to 1344. And the interesting thing was, as we were talking with our traders, we talked about it firming up here at 1350, and ended up putting a long trade out here because now old resistance is now new support. And we saw the trade firming up here and got in on a long trade, and you can see how well that worked out for us. Okay, as to this trade, basically was just a nice upswing to what RIMM was basically a downward trade. Then we did another trade to the upside, and we basically kicked this trade off obviously early because it did continue to run higher, but we did break this trade out at about 85 cents. See how it came up here to 90 and then it rolled over. We were long, and quite honestly, looking at what we made on the two trades, was very nice. Two profitable trades, one on both sides. We talked to our traders about those entries and exit points, why they should get in and get out. And so basically we took that trade, and two trades actually, and we're quite happy with the results.